Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the OBS virtual camera audio not working issue. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. This is a quick tutorial, so stay tuned and don't skip. First, open your browser and search for virtual audio cable on Google and click on the first website you see. Then go to the download section and choose the version you want. For this video, I will download the light version. Once the download is complete, extract the file to your desktop. Now open the setup file and install it. After installation done, you will see a new virtual recording device called Line 1 Virtual Audio Cable. Next, open OBS Studio and go to the settings. Then click on audio and set the monitoring device to Line 1 Virtual Audio Cable. Then click apply and OK. In the audio mixer, click the three dots and select Advanced Audio Properties. Now set audio monitoring to monitoring and output for all your audio sources. If you are using a media source, make sure to do the same for it. This will ensure the media source audio is also routed through the virtual mic. Now start the virtual camera and open your browser. Then go to the microphone settings and change your microphone to Line 1 Virtual Audio Cable. With this setup, both your real mic and OBS audio will work together as a one virtual mic. I hope this video helps you out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.